questions so far on the other two products. I try to do it as fast as possible. This GL Plus is even more simple to understand. Basically, GL Plus is all talking about lycopene. You know the lycopene? It's basically from a lot of different types of fruits. Like what I told you, GL Plus is actually a special formulation of lycopene and ginseng. This one is not the CV8, the stem cell. This one just a normal ginseng. Okay, and it is a special formulation. And this particular premium supplements is with a revolutionary micro encapsulating technology from BASF. BASF is from Germany. It is very famous in nutrition product and others industry as well. And lycopene itself is a type of keratin. Usually, lycopene can be found in various types of fruits. One of them is tomato. Others is what? Melon. Red color, yes. Watermelon, papaya also have okay, and it is usually very famous for antioxidants property, potential health benefits, inclusive of reducing the risk of heart disease as well as prevention of certain cancer. Prostate cancer, breast cancer, 那个叫什么？ lymphatic cancer. What else? Ovary, yes, ovary cancer.
Breast.
Breast. What is that?
Breast.
Yeah. Lung also. This is very famous one. Worldwide research, lycopene has proven it has this type of properties. Okay, even colon, bladder as well. Okay, and of course, for GL Plus itself, not only it contains lycopene itself. Okay, lycopene itself is already very good. This GL Plus also other ingredients inclusive of flaxseed oil. Now you know why it contains flaxseed oil or not? Because lycopene itself, if you take tomato, just take tomato like that, lycopene itself is very difficult to be absorbed into your body because lycopene needs soluble fat to absorb it, to come together with it to be absorbed into your body. That is why if you want to utilize, that means when you eat tomato, if you really want the lycopene to absorb completely into your body, you need to fry it with oil. Otherwise, if you just eat like this, a lot of the lycopene cannot be absorbed into your body. Understand that? It needs soluble fat substance help to be absorbed by the body. And flaxseed oil is used because it contains high level of fatty acid such as alpha linolenic acid and linoleic acid, which can help to improve the body ability to absorb the fat soluble substance. In other words, this GL Plus, the lycopene is all covered out using the micro encapsulating technology. It's all covered out by the flaxseed oil. And vitamin is the antioxidants, which is the purpose is actually to protect the micro encapsulating from oxidation. Because if you don't have any preservative or to preserve it, oxidation will happen. That is why the vitamin E is a very strong antioxidant to preserve the micro encapsulating of the by the flaxseed oil to protect the lycopene itself. And the ginseng that you use inside here is actually red ginseng extract. Okay, why? It is a super booster. Have you heard of Chinese medicine? They need something to increase the efficacy of a certain nutrition. Have you heard of that? 药引 the Chinese call 药引. That is what the red ginseng extract is doing. To increase the efficacy of your body. Okay? So these are the 4 ingredients inside the GL plus. And what is microencapsulating? Microencapsulating is talking about using the flaxseed oil to cover the whole thing, to make it so that it is absorbed easily into your body and then you consume it. Okay? And what are the benefits of microencapsulating? Better stability, definitely. It's more stable, protected with vitamin E as well. And at the same time, it increases the bioavailability, the delivery systems itself. And of course, lycopene itself, by itself, the taste and smell is horrible. It's horrible one. That is why microencapsulating it actually reduce the taste or reduce the odor. And of course, with this technology, it helps to improve the stability of nutrition, prevent ingredients interaction and degrading, longer shelf life means. That is why the most special technology that used in this is actually the microencapsulating technology. And these are the certification for the BASF. Okay. And I won't go into the certification, too many of them already. Okay, but anyway, why GL plus? Like what I told you, lycopene nutrition and its proven benefit. Okay, the lycopene itself has been proven throughout the worldwide with a lot of research proven of its benefits. And of course, the source itself, the lycopene itself and the technology itself is very reliable source from where? BASF. BASF is very famous in Germany. They even have a lot of production line that is built throughout the whole world, even in China. Okay? And yeah, they do a lot of things, but nutrition is one of the Germany. They do a lot of things. Yeah, and the tape is already out already, so no business already. They do nutrition. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyway, the technology of microencapsulating. And benefits, as I mentioned just now, protect against certain cancer, health, promote heart health, skin health. If you want your skin to look beautiful or even prevent of skin cancer, take a lot of lycopene. It will help tremendously. And one of the other things is that it helps to improve your eyesight as well. Pain relief, even protect your brain cell, contribute to strong bones. Huh? Your eyesight is because watch too much handphone, is it?
How about you?
Oh, yeah, because I watch too much handphone. At night, one of the worst thing, don't ever do that. I myself, I have a bad habit of doing what? Before you sleep, you like phone under the tub.
And the first thing you wake up in the morning,
Spoil.
also
Yeah.
message.
Not good.
Yes, it's not good one actually. That's why you recommend I should throw away my handphone.
Yeah.
Lady, she call me, cannot get me already.
Excuse.
Okay, and contribute to stronger bone. Even the prostate is very good one. For those people who are having prostate issue, they cannot control their urine. So what happens is that if you go and see doctor will give you medication, am I right? The medication is not to restore your prostate or helps your prostate to recover. The medication is actually after you take, it helps to suppress your urge.
So urine.
Yes, but lycopene itself, if you take in great amount, I mean I'm talking about 3 sachets to 4 sachets per day, you will notice the lycopene has been proven that it helps to repair your prostate. Repair, it's not suppress, repair. You can try that.
I don't take medication, no, I don't take.
No. And of course, according just for your info, according to the recommended daily allowance, we need 20 milligram of lycopene daily.
So each one can
Yeah. But the problem is, if you eat tomato every day, maybe your absorption rate is less than 1%. Less than 1%. The rest is wasted. If you eat that just like this, tomato. Now, if you talk about 10 milligram, one sachet is equivalent to you eat 200 tomato. Because one tomato, 99% is wasted. So it's equivalent to you are eating 200 tomato by just having one sachet. And this 2 sachet is good enough for you. Okay? So any questions? Now the pricing is like that. Now if you talk about these 3 products, my personal recommendation to you all, okay? CBA, if you can afford, take it. Okay? This is Mercedes-Benz, CBA. It's not Proton Saga, okay? If you can afford, take it. It's very good. The uniqueness is definitely there. It's research proven. But if you feel that it's too pricey, at least try to have it. 2 days once a share. Then you couple with GL plus Protocol. These 3 products is actually, if you combine together plus ion laser, it's actually very, very good. That's why I would recommend you, especially the Protocol and GL plus. If you talk about GL plus is another source which can be a replacement for your costly CBT. I don't want to talk too straightforward that you don't buy CBA and die lah. Okay? Okay? Just for your info lah. Okay? One box is 170 member price. 30 sachet inside. Retail price is this is one set 11 boxes, 1680. Okay, and the 8 box 4180 is actually the 180 price, member price. CB8 Mercedes-Benz, so no choice now. That's why it's in box. One box 15 sachet only inside. But one sachet you are taking 8. How many roots of how many roots of rays is inside? 8. But we do have members, it's rich lah. We do have members don't use ion laser one. Just purely take CBA, very rich person. He take his body condition improved tremendously. I think he is having cancer also, if I'm not mistaken. From yours, our gold diamond, not gold diamond, diamond, Mr. Yo's customer. He just purely take CBA, but he takes large amount. cancer
For
improvement.
those are cancer, they spend so much money
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
hospital, man. It's
Yeah,
worth
if
use the
compare,
money.
this is much cheaper.
Yeah.
Even if you still do the treatment, you take this, you will reduce the side effects of your cancer medication and all these things. Wow. That's why no choice, because it's not that we want to put so high, it's because Mercedes-Benz.
Achieve it, purchase for this.
Purchase and purchase. This month, you just add on 168, you get one box.
One
You buy,
they can have 2 boxes.
you just buy 1680 package, right?
Yeah.
You can add any 1680 package, you can add on 168 to get one.
Two now,
If you want
two.
Two soup for one.
You maximum you can add on to 2
Maximum.
times. Yeah.
Cheaper.
Grab it.
This one is quite reasonable price also, but it's very good also. That is why if you can afford, I always recommend you all to take all one. That is what I do. That is what I do. Okay, thank you. So far, any questions? Now today I'm in karaoke like that. I want to sing a song.
Hey, no. Someone asked me the mask, how to wear the mask.
Wear the mask. How to wear the